So I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for the interior liners, and I'm gonna show you which one she chose. Hey, what's up, chill fam, and welcome to my channel, Life in Chill Mode. So I got my Tesla Model Y here for almost a month already, and I just didn't have enough time to buy the interior liners for it. And I know most of you guys would have got the interior liners before you guys purchased the car. Well, that's good. Kudos to you guys. But for me, actually the real reason is not because I didn't have time, but because it's quite expensive to get the interior liners. So today when I came home, my wife actually dropped me a surprise. She actually purchased the interior liners through the Tesla website. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after a month without the interior liner. So this is what came standard when you purchase your brand new Tesla Model Y. It's just carpeted. It's all around from front to back. Here's a back view. So I have all three pieces installed. It looks really nice. It's all flush to the floor. There's no like high protruding corner. It's all flush to the door. And it fits perfectly. So the back is the same. It's all flushed and even out. It's nice. Passenger. It's all flush to the door as well. It's nicely fitted. Alright, chill fam, that's the end of our video. Thank you for watching me unboxing the all-weather interior floor mats. And if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. Until next time, stay chill, and I'll see you on the next ride.